returns, actual returns, then investment either in stock market or in mutual fund requires a lot of research and knowledge. Like there are so many scripts in stock market, there are so many mutual funds, and like all the scripts will not give you good returns, similarly all mutual funds will not give you good return. Therefore, diversify your portfolio. Invest in mutual funds, invest in SEPs, but also invest in stock market because that would give you maximum return. Now, why mutual fund will not give you returns which stock market will give? Obviously, I am directly investing in stock market. There is no fund manager whose fees is being deducted. Second, stocks gives you dividend, bonus. All these things are not there in mutual fund. Dividend is there in mutual fund, but trust me, the returns on the direct investment in stock market are much higher. Now, is investment in stock market that difficult? No, it is not. It's not that easy either. You have to be vigilant. And what I believe is, if you have that one thing by which you can earn in this competitive era, then you definitely have that one thing by which you can invest in avenues which helps grow your money. That is your hard-earned money. If you are vigilant, if you are watchful, you can earn a good amount of money out of your investments. You have to brush your skills daily. Daily, say 15 to 20 minutes, devote in general awareness. How to decide which stocks are good, how to invest in stock market. There is one golden rule which you must follow. Always invest in A plus scripts. Don't invest in B, C, D plus scripts.